So shifting focus to the commodity markets, Manisha Gupta is joining in. Manisha, what's the one commodity you're tracking today?
Well, for the day today, I'm looking at metals as a sector because we're looking at stronger gains continuing for most of this sector, whether it's ferrous or the non-ferrous metals. I'll start with copper because the prices are still holding at around 14-month highs onto this one. And there are reports that how Antofagasta could be looking at first quarter copper output down by 11% on an year-on-year basis. And going forward as well, the numbers could stay on the weaker side in sense of production. Inventories as well have been declining, and that has been keeping the markets in support there. If you look at the prices itself, we've seen copper prices gain up by 12% in this year until now. Last year wasn't so great. If you look at the fundamentals, they have been on the positive side. The demand seems to be improving. The inventories are declining. We're looking at higher premiums from Japan, and also the smelters in China are cutting production. And that has led to a very strong bull run by the money managers as well. So if you look at the hedge funds, well, they are holding the longest positions since 2018 at around 84,000 contracts, which is equivalent to over 2 million tons of holdings in sense of copper. This is inside of the longs. This is overall hedge funds there. If you look at the exchange-wise breakup here as well, so CME copper longs are at 119,000 contracts, which is the highest since Jan 2018 as well. And then comes LME, where we are holding very strong positions as well. And when you look at the daily averages for the month of March on an year-on-year basis, while CME has seen averages increase by 18%, on LME as well, we've seen the averages increase by 21% there. The open interest also is surged from 192,000 contracts to 299,000 contracts. So the fundamentals have been on the stronger side, and the smart money seems to be really moving on in case of copper sales. So the best of money really has moved into this one metal there. Also, when you look at the aluminum prices, we're trading at a 22-month highs onto this one. The Western sanctions is one part of it. The Guinea supply concerns has been another. And then Yunnan production has been declining because of dry season, also is keeping aluminum prices as an outperformer there. This is what we've done on a week-on-week basis in case of the metal prices, where you have seen nearly 3% of gains come in for copper in the last 6 trading sessions, 1 to 5.5% of gains in most of these metal prices there. And the outperformance comes in from steel, which has gained up by 8% in the matter of last 1 week itself.
Okay, Manisha, thanks very much for that. So that's commodities and metals specifically in focus.